Many schools and local governments wish to give new experiences to students and citizens, but costs, space limits, and technical barriers have stopped them. But SG Entertech offers content that anyone can enjoy, solving the problem through innovative VR/XR technology. SG Entertech's VR Zone does not need a large space. With only VR devices, a kiosk, and Wi-Fi, it can be set up and operated anywhere with ease. This creates an optimized immersive environment anywhere and offers a variety of content. We provide immersive MR painting content for art and culture. Painting VR lets you draw and color freely in virtual space, giving a unique chance to complete famous masterpieces yourself. Our postcard program allows both children and adults to join, writing messages at tourist sites and saving them as digital postcards. The postcards can be easily shared via email and social media, helping you preserve special travel memories for a long time. We also offer VR games like Gunfighting, Destiny Battle, and Counterattack. It is the best solution for education, experience, and entertainment. At Moongyong Echo World, visitor numbers rose greatly after installing the VR Zone, and user reviews have been very positive.
네, 지금 저희 같은 경우에는 VR 체험존을 새로 신설하고 VR 기기를 도입하면서 요 관내나 아니면 인근에는 없는 VR 체험을 하러 오시는 손님들이 많이 늘었습니다. 특히나 이제 어린 분들이나 아니면 가족 단위에서 새로운 체험을 찾으시는 분들께서 많이 방문을 해주시고 있고요. 앞으로도 이런 비슷한 새롭고 또 미래지향적인 느낌의 그러한 체험 프로그램이 많이 늘어났으면 하는 바람이 있습니다.
Virtual reality that changes the world. Created by SG Entertech.